Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about Venom Network, what it is, and how you can be eligible for the potential airdrop. So obviously, just before I get started, a disclaimer as usual, nothing I say in this video is financial advice, and also the airdrop is not guaranteed. Anyway, so what is a Venom Foundation or Venom Network? So it's a layer zero blockchain, and I haven't found too much like articles regarding the fundraise, etc. But there is a article TechCrunch and other publication like Reuters talking about how they and Iceberg Capital launched a $1 billion fund to invest in Web3. So that's very interesting, and it's quite a big fund if this for especially in the bear market, them doing that. So that's quite interesting. So anyway, let's get into what you need to do to be eligible for the potential airdrop. And just like all my other videos, I highly recommend you obviously to like and subscribe. But what you want to do is you want to follow my Telegram announcement channel and my chat, because if there's extra tasks later on that pop up, I would obviously post it there, because it will make sense to actually do a whole video. So just bear that in mind when you want to follow my channels, or follow my chat, basically in my Telegram chat. That's where I'll post any new tasks, etc. Okay, so first thing what you want to do, so this is not a EVM compatible blockchain. So EVM means Ethereum virtual machine. So all the developer tools, etc., are not compatible with their blockchain. So you need to download their wallet separately. So what you want to do is go to venomwallet.com. Okay, so the official website is venom.foundation, and if you go to ecosystem wallet, and you'll see venomwallet.com. So they have a few different types of wallet. They've got Chrome App Store and Android Store, which is Google Play Store. So I personally got the Chrome extension because I just find that the most convenient, but obviously you could do which one you like. Ideally, I would say to do the Chrome as well, because the other website, etc., the tasks that you might have to do, they might not be connecting to the mobile app. Usually everything works on a desktop, right? It's more compatible. So yeah, and you can download two of like both of them, because that might actually help you, as in terms of the airdrop eligibility, or it might increase your allowance. So yeah, you can do multiple wallets if you want. Just import the same wallet. So next thing you want to do is, once you've downloaded the wallet, now we obviously need some funds. Okay, so I've already done the task, but basically I think you need to just connect your Twitter, your Discord, and follow them somewhere, like on Twitter, I think. And basically, they will give you like 50 tokens. Once it's verified, they'll give you 50 tokens. These are obviously testnet tokens. So, and here, if you go to venom.network/forward, obviously I'll put all the links in the description. If you do additional tasks, they give you additional tokens. Okay. So now that you've got tokens, what we need to do is actually do tasks and interact with the blockchain. So just like in other blockchain projects, they have like different dApps, etc., that you can interact with. Here it's like all in one place, so it's quite convenient and quite straightforward. I see the wallet flow, everything works quite well, apart from the password thing. Like you have to put your password every time. It's got a thing saying to remember it for this session, but for some reason that doesn't work. So that could just be feedback for the Venom team. But anyway, apart from that, the transactions, etc., they go through very fast. So what you want to go is to the task section and just do the task. There's 24 tasks in total, and I've done like 3, 6, 9 so far, and there's 19 in total. Okay, so that's out. So there's a few more gonna come out. So basically, the task are like, you just need to follow the project, because there's basically projects that's collaborating on top of Venom Network, right? So they're basically working with each other, telling each other you need to follow them, tweet about them, or interact with their dApp, and then basically they give you this NFT. So that's kind of proof that you've done it. So once you've done that, what you want to do is basically take a screenshot of that and go in their Discord. You want to be following project's Discord anyway, Discord, Telegram, Twitter, as the usual, and maybe even subscribe to their newsletter. So once you've done that, you want to take a screenshot of this. So basically, you want to take a screenshot, including your wallet address, and go on the Discord. They got a channel called Completed Task. You basically want to post a screenshot there, including your wallet address, and give them feedback. Okay, so that's one thing that I've seen few people say, and I'll show you in this tweet. This gentleman, Ibrahim, he also talks about this as well. So you want to talk about your experience, put your Venom wallet address, and also take a screenshot with your wallet address and post it. So I believe this is going to really help in terms of proving that obviously you dealt with the blockchain, etc. And obviously they can do it on chain, but being active in the community. And also when you're in Discord, you want to be chatting, and every few weeks you want to post a message or genuinely just give them feedback, because that obviously, it makes it look more like you're a real user and you're not just a farmer. So, and the other last thing you want to do is layer 3 has got a Venom introduction section where you can just basically go through the task and they give you some points. So that's also what you can do. Now I'll just look at my my notes and see if there's anything that I missed. Yeah, and the extras are the user extras. So obviously in this one you want to probably just have some balance and then use the actual dApps outside of the, once you've claimed the NFTs, you can actually go on these websites. So you can do the task with Numi in here, but then you can interact with Numi separately on their website, right? So that will obviously increase your interaction with the Venom blockchain. So anyway, guys, that's it. Hope you got some value from this video, and I'll see you on the next one.